In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort in a Jira query. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently organize issues in Jira using JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. This is especially helpful when you need to sift through a plethora of issues and focus on what's important. Let's dive right in. First, we begin by opening Jira and navigating to the Your Work section. This is your starting point for accessing all the projects and tasks that you have permission to view or manage. If you're new to the Jira interface, your work can be found on the main dashboard on the left-hand side of the screen. It's conveniently organized so you can quickly access your recent updates, projects, and any items you flagged as important. Next, select the project you want to work with. You should see a list of all the projects that you are currently a part of. For this example, let's say we're focusing on a project titled TBD. Simply click on the project's name to enter the project overview. This allows you to narrow down the specific issues you want to query and sort. Once inside your selected project, you will see multiple tabs at the top of the screen. Click on Issues. This tab is the central hub for viewing and managing issues within your selected project. You can think of it as your digital workspace where all the data you need is readily available. Here you have the power to adjust how you view and interact with the information, making it a powerful tool for any project manager or team member. Now, to perform more advanced sorting, we need to utilize JQL. Click on the advanced link next to the search bar. This takes you into the JQL search interface. If you haven't used this feature before, JQL allows you to construct queries that precisely filter the issues you're interested in. It's like having a search engine custom built for your Jira projects, enabling you to uncover exactly what you're looking for using specific criteria. For our example, to sort the issues in the project TBD by the date they were created, you would use a JQL query. In the search bar, input the following line: project equals TBD order by created DSC. Let me break this down for you. Project equals TBD specifies the project you are querying. Order by created desk sorts the results in descending order based on the date they were created, meaning the newest issues will appear at the top of your list. You can change how you sort your data by switching the created keyword with other issue fields like updated or priority, depending on what you're after. Also, if you want to see the oldest issues first, replace DESC with ASC for ascending order. This flexibility is one of the great strengths of JQL. Hit the Enter key or click the search button to execute your query. You should now see a neatly sorted list of issues in your Jira project according to the criteria you specified. Take a closer look at your results. Sorting with JQL not only organizes your data, but can also reveal patterns or items requiring attention that might not have been immediately apparent otherwise. You've learned how to use JQL to extensively sort and filter issues within your projects. Mastering this skill will dramatically enhance your productivity by letting you focus on the most relevant data. It's especially useful for large teams where projects produce a high volume of issues and quick data access becomes essential. Being able to efficiently organize and prioritize this data empowers you to manage your workload more effectively, keeping projects on track and within deadlines. As you become more comfortable with JQL, try experimenting with different queries to adapt your sorting criteria to fit different needs. Remember that beyond sorting by date, you can also sort by status, issue type, reporter, or any custom field available in your Jira setup. The possibilities are vast, and with practice, you'll become adept at creating dynamic views that suit any scenario your projects throw at you. That's all for today. I hope this guide has demystified the process of sorting in Jira using queries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials designed to make your work life smoother and more organized. Stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into more advanced JQL features. Thank you for watching and see you next time.